Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by stabilizing the watch face down on a microfiber cloth so nothing gets scratched. Use the forked end of the spring bar tool to engage the small flange on the spring bar. This compresses the bar and frees it from the lug. Once done, angle the tool slightly toward the center of the band to prevent slippage, and make sure to keep the released end controlled so the spring doesn't fly. This first action exposes the connection you need to detach. Now you compress the spring bar fully while holding the watch steady with your other hand. This relieves tension and lets the bar clear the lug hole. Once compressed, shift the band slightly outward and slide the bar laterally until it disengages. Make sure to support the opposite end with tweezers or a finger so the bar doesn't snap back into the case. If the band uses screw pins, turn the screw counterclockwise with a precision driver instead, because those finish by lifting the band free once both spring bar ends are clear. Put the tiny bars into your parts tray so you don't lose them. Once removed, inspect the lug holes and end links for bent metal or dirt. Clean them before reassembly to ensure a snug fit. If a bar is stubborn, make sure you compressed fully and use light penetrating oil only at the seam. Wait a minute, then reattempt. Excessive force risks bending the lug or stripping screw heads.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.